my landlady and I.
Yes, Corporal Flex.
Yes, sir.
As soon as you saw that criminal,
Arrest him straight.
what are you supposed to do?
Arrest him straight, sir.
That's it. Do you know his door?
Well, okay. Think he's here, sir.
No, just show me the door. Other people don't know me. Oh. Tell them I keep people for living.
Yes, I catch him.
You want to?
I catch him.
You want to?
I catch him. I catch him.
Eh? You necklace?
You are under arrest.
Young man, you're under arrest.
What's happening here now? What's happening here?
No. Are you blind? No. Tell us now. Are you blind? Can't you see us on uniform?
Yeah, I'm not blind. I can see the uniform. I only ask what's happening here.
You're under arrest.
Why are you arresting me?
This boy don't know anything.
You want to tell us that we don't have any reason that we are arresting you, Abi?
Why are you arresting me?
Young man, you are under arrest.
Excuse me.
For some reasons.
Don't move, oh.
Hold on.
Sorry, sir. I'll hold you.
You should move. What's happening?
Please. Why are we arresting him?
You dey craze. That one I talk. DPO no tell you how we dey arrest her.
No. DPO called you. Hey, don't move me, oh. Don't move me, oh. DPO called you into the office. Then I'm very sure maybe he told you why we should arrest him.
No, okay. If DPO call me enter office, na the arrest matter na you go tell me. E no be you dey give paper.
Yes, they gave me paper. But what I saw there was the address. I didn't see any offense.
Address? No offense.
I didn't see any offense.
See, make I tell you, What are you looking at? Come on, Mr. Make I tell you, if this thing wey you dey talk so na lie, if I call DPO and I find out say you dey lie, wetin I go do you? You no like am.
Sure, sir. Hey, don't move, oh.
Move, I will scatter your skull. Control. Thief, armed robber. Ask the car, sir. Yes, sir.
If I blow you.
Inspector Kabad on the line, sir. Thank you, sir. Ikpada Yobo Brand, sir. Yes, sir. We are the venue, sir. With the suspect, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. There is an argument here, sir. Or you can call it argumentative essay, sir. Sir, I just want to know, sir, why we are arresting this idiot, sir. Yes, sir. No, I'm not asking you questions, sir. You over. Frog job? Yes, sir. But, sir, I'm on my uniform.
If you move, I'll blow you.
Okay, sir.
Oga, are you doing warming up for the arrest? This guy is too small to do press up for just arresting this guy now. What did the Oga tell you?
Flex.
Yes, sir.
So you make me collect punishment for free abuse?
No, sir.
Leave her. Leave this suspect. Leave her. Come here. This way. Go there.
What's all this one?
Now, frog job. Frog job! You there? Nah. Bullet, take this thing. I go scatter your leg. Come back. This way. That's it.
Oga, please now.
Police officer.
Oga, civilian, you see civilians watching us now.
Now stand up.
Thank you, sir.
God. So an officer of the law is training, and you are laughing. Young man, you are under arrest.
You're under arrest.
Excuse me. People should cut off this thing now. What's happening here? Okay, now why am I being arrested?
Okay, if you want to know why, I will tell you why. A case was tabled in our office this morning that you, Mr. Oyi, you are a Yahoo boy. As a matter of fact, you depressed.
Yahoo boy. Me. How?
Thief, armed robber, online.
No, you don't understand. It's like you don't understand English. They say you are a scammer.
I'm not going anywhere. Okay, who laid this allegation on me? Who?
Well, I must say your landlady came to our office this morning to table the issue. Young man, if I were you, I would shut up for now. Because anything you do or say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Mama.
Eh?
Ow!
It's not my fault now. This morning I had you making calls.
So?
What is so? What is so? You were calling Oyibo?
Sir,
Sir,
take
let's move him, sir.
move him.
Let's move him.
Is it crazy?
I can't move
Huh?
it. You?
Is it move it?
Yes. I've not seen it. I've not seen it. I didn't get. Okay, you know what will happen, eh? Send it to my mail. Yeah. Yahoo. Mail, yes. Sir. See, this guy is a graphic designer. He's designing my new job. She knows now I'm a fashion designer. So all these things, see, the thing is heavy. So I can't send it to my WhatsApp document, through WhatsApp document. So I asked him to send it to my Yahoo mail.
Yahoo.
Yahoo.
That is the whole point. Yahoo.
Think that word. Yahoo. That's a good point you just made there. Young man, this explanation no concern me. Everything I just say here is none of my business. When you get to the station, I believe you will explain more better.
To the DPO.
That's it, to the DPO.
Ma, let me tell you, I will not take this thing lightly with you. Every money I spend by bailing myself from the station, I promise you, it's coming out from your next house rent.
That is your own concern. No, let's go.
No, no concern me.
Let's go. Please. Wait, don't take him again. You people should, please. We'll settle ourselves. Let him go.
With all due respect, ma, I must say that this case have already moved to the upper hand or the upper echelon, which is the DPO. There is nothing you, me, and you can do till we get to the station. Corporal, please, let's go.
Go to where? Shebi, I am the one that started the case.
We know.
And I said I don't want him to be arrested again. I am withdrawing the case. Case closed.
Corporal.
Sir. Sir, with due respect to me, I don't know what you are thinking. I can't let anybody go. I can't let anybody go because I've suffered. In fact, we have suffered for this case.
Abi! Madam, this man is not going anywhere apart from our station. Move it. You must go to the station.
You better leave him alone.
Corporal!
No.
Oh, madam!
Run.
Corporal! That woman man. Hola! Corporal!
Oga. You fuck up, oh. You fuck up. How would you allow that a woman to take you unaware? Are you not trained?
You the case?
You want to fight me?
Are you not supposed to protect me?
I will show you.
You said blow.
I'll give you a back out.
Let me tell you, I trained at Tony Joshua. Mayweather, they learn from me. May I tell you, Muhammad Ali, now my classmate. I will tell you what I made of.
You want to fight me?
Wait, may I drop this cap? Let's go.
I'll give you a back out.
You know, guys?
I'll give you a back out.
No, let that touch my face, oh. I go first, oh.
Me, I want me defend. I want me defend.
I go first.
Officer, calm down. Now, do you know that we are in trouble? We are in trouble. See, we can't go back to the station. And the only option now is to go back to our house. Because it's either we go, DPO sack us, or we have to sack ourselves. See, we have to go and catch that guy and take him to the station.
Go sack ourselves. This work no be work. I don't feel like go drink. I'm not part of this. I don't go.